Foam cannons are a popular accessory among car enthusiasts and professional detailers. There are many products available to choose foam cannons, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best foam cannons from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tool Daily Foam Cannon. The Tool Daily Foam Cannon is an adjustable snow foam lance that comes with 1/4 inch quick connection fitting and a container capacity of 1 liter / 0.22 gallon. It is easy to install and use, allowing you to adjust the foam dispensing amount and nozzle for accurate mixing and foam generation. It also comes with 5 nozzle tips with different angles for various applications such as car washing, roofs, driveways, siding washing, and more. Number 2. Astro AI Foam Cannon. The Astro AI Foam Cannon is a heavy-duty car foam blaster that provides a convenient and efficient way to wash your vehicle. With its big mouth design, you can easily pour soap liquid into the bottle without any waste. The adjustable nozzle allows you to create thick foam and adjust the spray pattern according to your needs. The human-centered design features an upgraded filter block for maximum protection against damage from foam or water particles. The foam cannon is compatible with most pressure washers and can be used for various cleaning tasks such as washing cars, bikes, motorcycles, floors, windows, driveways, roofs, and siding. Its excellent foaming performance and adjustable spray angle ensure that every nook and corner is thoroughly cleaned. With the Astro AI Foam Cannon, you can achieve professional-level cleaning results with ease. Number 3. Tool Daily Short Pressure Washer Gun. The Tool Daily Short Pressure Washer Gun with Foam Cannon is a versatile accessory with a maximum pressure of 4,000 psi and a maximum flow rate of 8 GPM. It comes with adjustable snow foam lance, 5 nozzle tips, and a 1 liter container capacity. The adjustable nozzle can create an accurate mixing and foam generation, making it ideal for motorcycle, car washing, roofs, driveways, siding washing, floors, and windows washing. With M22 fittings, it is compatible with most pressure washer brands, except garden hose, water hose, or faucet. Number 4. Tool Daily Foam Cannon Adjustable Foam Blast. Tool Daily Foam Blaster is a versatile foam cannon designed for pressure washers. It offers multiple connection methods, allowing easy setup based on your pressure washer's fittings. The upgraded features support pressure ranges from 1,000 to 3,600 psi with a 1.5 liter capacity for extended cleaning sessions. The unique design ensures a comfortable grip during use. Additionally, it includes an extra 1.1 millimeters orifice nozzle for creating thicker foam at lower pressures. With easy installation steps, this foam cannon is ideal for various cleaning tasks like car washing, roof cleaning, and more. Number 5. Twinkle Star Foam Cannon 1L Bottle Snow Foam Lance. The Twinkle Star Foam Cannon includes an adjustable foam lance, 1 liter container bottle, and 5 pressure washer nozzle tips. It can produce thick foam up to 20 feet, and the adjustable nozzle can change the pattern from a jet stream to a wide fan pattern. This foam cannon is made of quality brass and has a heavy-duty design, making it ideal for both enthusiast and professional use. It requires a pressure washer with 2.5 GPM and over 1,000 psi pressure for use.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.